Okay, today we're doing something pretty wild. We're going to build a working AI project, and we're going to do it in about 5 minutes. Seriously, you're going to build it right along with me. Let's just jump right in.
So, I bet I know what you're thinking. AI, isn't that, for people with PhDs or huge teams at Google? And look, that's a totally normal thing to think. It feels like this giant, complicated fortress, right? But what if I told you that's not really the whole picture?
No, I'm absolutely serious. You, right now, the device you're watching this on, that's all you need to become an AI builder. It's gotten so much more accessible, and we are literally about to prove it. So what's in this super advanced, high-tech toolkit? Well, you'll need a computer, a web browser, and a webcam. Yep, that's it. The most important part, though, is that last thing on the list, your own creativity. See, you've already got all the gear. Okay, so what are we actually building? We are going to teach your computer how to do something fundamentally human. We're going to teach it how to see. Specifically, how to see and recognize your expressions. And to keep things super simple for our first project, we're just going to focus on two things, a happy face and a sad face. That's our goal. By the time we're done, your webcam is going to look at you, and the AI we just built will try to guess in real time what you're feeling. How cool is that? All right, enough talk, right? Let's actually get our hands dirty. I'm going to walk you through a super simple 5-step blueprint. It's a straight shot from here to having your very own working AI model. So the first 3 steps are basically just the setup. First thing, you're going to go to this awesome free tool from Google called Teachable Machine. Once you're there, you'll click Get Started and create what they call classes. Don't worry, we'll get to that. Then comes the fun part. You get to feed it the data just by taking pictures with your webcam. Okay, so I mentioned that word classes. Don't let that trip you up. It sounds technical, but it's just a fancy word for categories. For what we're doing, it's really easy. We'll have one class called Happy Face and another one called Sad Face. That's it. Simple. So, how many pictures do we need? A really good starting point is somewhere around 20 to 30 pictures for each category. So, you'll just make a happy face, hold it, and let the webcam take a bunch of snapshots. Then, you'll do the exact same thing for a sad face. Okay, once you've given it all those examples of happy and sad faces, you are ready for the magic moment. You're going to see a big button that says Train Model. Go on and click it. This is where the magic happens. The computer is literally taking all those pictures you gave it and learning how to tell them apart. It'll take a few moments to do its thing, but once that's done, your AI is ready. And now we get to the best part, the payoff. We get to see our creation actually come to life, test it out, and even show it off. This brings us to our last 2 steps. Step 4 is all about testing. You'll see a preview window pop up. Just show your face to the webcam, make a happy or sad face, and watch the AI try to guess. And step 5, you can actually save the model you just built or even get a link to share it with your friends so they can try it. So go ahead, try it out right now. Look at that preview screen. See those bars moving? That's the AI's confidence level. Make a happy face. Does the happy face bar shoot up to 100%? Now try a sad one. See? This is it. This is your AI, and it's working live. Seriously, just let that sink in for a second. This isn't some pre-built program you just downloaded. You gathered the data. Those were pictures of your face. You were the teacher. You just built a totally custom piece of AI. So let's just zoom out for a second and really appreciate what just happened here. You didn't just, click a few buttons. You took on a brand new role. You are officially an AI builder. Think about it. In less time than it takes to drink a cup of coffee, you used a real-deal AI tool, you trained a model with your own personal data, and you made a working interactive project completely from scratch. That is a huge deal. And just like that, you now understand the fundamental secret behind so much of modern AI. It's not magic, it's just learning from examples. And you just saw the most important rule in action. The better your examples, the smarter your AI gets. More clear pictures, a smarter model. It's that simple. And hey, this is just the beginning, right? Now you have the blueprint. What else could you do? You could teach it hand signs like rock, paper, scissors. Or what about different dance moves? You could literally point your webcam at your room and teach the difference between clean room and messy room. The possibilities here, they're pretty much endless. So I'll leave you with this. You've just unlocked a new superpower. You now know how to teach a machine to see the world. So the only real question is, what are you going to teach it first?